Making some chicken wings using Georgian seasonings. Also made some potatoes and a cucumber and pear salad. Let's do it.
I really needed my Lori seasoned salt and my garlic seasoned salt, but they don't make that here in Georgia, so I had to do what I had to do. I only made a couple of potatoes because it was just for me. Then I got the fried chicken going, and then my salad. This salad was absolutely bomb.